to share how I made a slow motion video in Davinci Resolve. First, I would like to go to the file and choose the project setting. Now here I have a preset for the project setting. I just want to choose the first one, Ultra HD 4K. Just load. Then I would like to check 4K 23976 23976 video monitoring 1080p 23976. I just want to mention that in frame interpolation here, retirement process, choose the optical flow. This make your videos smoother. Motion estimation mode, I choose standard beta. You can choose the standard fast, enhanced faster, and enhanced better. Normally I would like to choose the standard better, and here is medium. Color space, I would like to choose HDR 2020 HLG, the color measured by Davinci. So nothing like here. Then I go to the media tab. I'll get new bin, name videos. Slow motion videos. Now I go to my desk. I have 3 clips. I just drag to. He asks change project frame rate. Now I would like to choose to don't change. And then go to the cut page. In this video, we see a person who's approaching his car. Maybe more interesting here. So I just would like to choose these clips. First thing, I right click and choose the clip attributes. We can see here video frame rate is 60. So first I'll change to 23976 and hit OK. And then just drop to the timeline. Go to the edit the page. For these clips, I don't need an audio, so I just right click and delete the audio. Enlarge the timeline. Hit Command R. Now I would like to choose the point. The first point I choose is when the person is in between two cars, just here. Add speed point. And the second point I would like to choose just before the man who appears. Maybe here. At point. So I have 2 points. In the first, I just change speed to 25. And the last, change speed to 25 too. And then in the middle, I would like to change to maybe 400, 200. And then I go to the right click and get real-time curve. Second point, get a curve. Not enough. Not enough. I just want to mention, if you forgot in the project setting for the real-time settings, we can go to here, transform, and the real-time scaling here, real-time process. You can choose the optical flow because I have setting in my project setting, so I just do nothing. Optical, and here motion estimation. You can choose the standard scaling, reset filter. So I did nothing. I do nothing here. Now we are getting take a look. Because this is a 4K, so just need to lag behind. So I would like to deliver this video and just check. Slow motion test in Davinci. Location I choose the desktop. No video, no audio, just video. 4K, 23976. Add to render to crane. I render all. We'll wait a moment, or just go to get a large cup of coffee and go back. That's the result. You can see it. This person is approaching slowly. And this slow is going down slowly and interesting. It's normally this here is normal. Now it's beginning the other slow motion. You can look at this person who's slapping his car. Slowly, slowly. More interesting is slow. Is going down slowly. So that's it. Thanks.